Welcome, students! Today we are going to learn about comparatives. When talking about how two people or objects are different, you use comparatives. Comparative means more. You form the comparative by putting er at the end of the adjective. For example, small becomes smaller, and tall becomes taller. However, when the adjective ends with a vowel and a consonant, repeat the last before adding er. So you have words like B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, or F-A-T-T-E-R, fatter. When the adjective ends with y, like happy, change y into I and add er. So you have H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier. For an adjective with two or more syllables, like expensive, add more before the adjective so that you say things like more colorful or more expensive. There are also irregular comparative adjectives. For example, good becomes better and bad becomes worse. You form a sentence with the comparative by putting subject plus verb plus comparative form plus than, and then the noun that the first noun is compared to. Please remember that the than used to compare is spelled differently from then, which indicates the time. Let's review today's lesson.